This is the small Vcut tool, and this one the angles can be changed. This one is 0 degree, 15 degree, 22.5 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree. And we also needed these two wrenches. This one is 2.5 millimeters, and this one is 3 millimeters. And this part is used to fix the knife. And we needed to place the knife into this slot. And this screw, it is used to fix this part to here, this part to here. And the knife rod, here there is a dowel pin. And this part, there is a locating slot, like this. Now install the knife. Put it into the slot, and there is a black screw. It is used to prevent the knife moving. Tighten it up. This one here. This is the 45 degree position. Slightly. The next is to install the whole tool onto the machine. And here the first tap it in the workpage, tap the Z value. It will change to Z1 and W1. Next, we need to install the knife tool onto the tool holder. On the panel, the W, it must be 0.00. If it is not, for example, like this, it's 180. Just tap it. It will change to 0 automatically. And then tap the Z value. It will change to Z1, W1. It means the head 2 can be controlled now. Can be controlled manually now. Rotate the ring. Here the space, it must be at least 4 millimeters. And the rod here, the dowel pin, it is facing the X positive direction. Tighten the ring, and then install this part. Tighten this screw, and then here, change it to 180. Tap and hold this rotary button. Now it is 180. And this side, it will face us. And tighten this one. Then tap it again. This is the correct installation. The knife cutting edge is facing the X positive direction. Tab config, Vcut, this one 00000000, and other here cut both sides. Set the speed. The Vcut 1, set the speed, like it. And the V angle 45. It means we install the knife at the 45 degree position. And then tap back, set the knife depth. We need to let the knife nose, let the knife nose can cut a thin mark on the material surface. We can change it to slow, and then tap it to check. Like it, a thin mark, very thin. If it is not thin enough, we can type of config Vcut here, and then okay, then have the direction arrow. Tap it. Okay, now it is very thin like it. Save, close the vacuum. The next to check whether it can cut well. Tap it. The Vcut tool, it will cut two lines along the y-axis, the 1, 2, and them two, they must be like it. The first, then the second. They must coincide with each other. Look at the first. The effect must be like it. Two lines can coincide with each other. If they can't coincide with each other, we need to adjust the knife position. Take it out. Adjust the knife position. We need to drag it out or place it to that direction. For example, the first line is like it, the first, and this is the second. It means the knife needed to be dragged out a little bit. We can loosen them too. And then this one, the black screw, rotate it clockwise. Rotate it clockwise. For example, loosen here little bit. Loosen here little bit. Loosen it a little bit. And then rotate the black one clockwise. Okay, and then tighten down, and then install it onto the knife tool and cut the two lines again, and adjust the knife position little by little, and until you can cut the two lines like it. After adjust the Vcut tool, the small Vcut tool, tap config Vcut and other. Here, cut both sides, change it to cut one side. And then the small Vcut tool can work normally now. It can cut the curve the curve groove. And the next is example or the demo. For example, let the SP4 cut here straight, and here is a half groove. Draw it again. Click draw and circle. Set the diameter 50 and the direction. Now it is click here. The view show start, and this is the start point, and the arrow direction is the current direction. Now it is anti-clockwise. We need to change it to clockwise. Select it and click here the edit reverse, and now it is clockwise. And select it again and click here edit, copy here, SP5, okay. And we can check it. The step change it to, for example, 10, and select the one line and press the arrow key, direction key. Now you can see there are two lines, SP5 and SP4. The next is the settings in Xiao. Here the delete repeat line, don't take it. And here the SP order change to this one, the SP order, this one, the INV. Click OK. And then we can check simulate, view simulate. The time change to 300 and click OK. And we can see the SP5 will be wide first and then the SP4. It means machine will cut the SP5 lines first. It means the V groove, and then the SP4, the head one. Okay, now we move it back. Select the SP5 and then press it one time. Okay, now send it to machine. Okay, we sim complete. Set the start points. Okay, here set as 0. Check the range, then tap repeat. The next is to cut a curve groove. Click draw, click circle. Diameter still is 50 millimeters. Select it, change it to SP5. Select it again, click edit, other edit. And here add a reverse line. You can see here, now there is just one start point, one arrow. After clicking the add reverse line, there is another one. Now there are two. One is clockwise and another one is anti-clockwise. Send it to machine and then set 0. Check range. Tap repeat to start cutting. The next is to cut the straight line groove. Click draw, click rectangle. I cut a rectangle. The edge length is 50 millimeters. Select it, change it to SP5. Select it again and click edit, other edit, add a reverse line. Okay, and now there are two start points here. click send, set 0, check range. Yeah, no. Okay. And tap repeat. It seems better, no problem. Let me see. Yeah, here, this one. For example, if here the down extend and up extend is zero, it will cut like this. Send. Set 0. Repeat. For example, this line. Here it starts from here, and this is the end point. And this is down. The knife down, cutting to this position and then up. It is down. Sorry, down, and this is up. And here, the knife hasn't cut this part, and here it cut more. For example, this one is 5, and this one is 5 as well. You can look which one. And in the panel, if the down extend we set it to 5, it will the actual down position is not here. It may be here or here, 5 millimeters more. And here, if we don't want this short line, we can set the up extend to -5. The end point maybe here or maybe here, the 5 millimeters. And after set it will cut like this one.